We are all in Air Force. We know that even an aircraft flies against the wind, not with the wind. An aircraft flies against the wind, and therefore you have to be mentally tough. What matters today is the mental toughness. It is not the physical toughness. You must be mentally tough, gentlemen, in order to survive today. What Charles Darwin said way back years ago, when the book The Origin of Species was published in 1859, I believe, he highlighted that it is the best who survive. But today there is a change in the definition of the best. The best, who are the best? Those who have the might? No, not at all. It is the mental equilibrium, it is the mental toughness that decides whether you are the best or not. And you need to develop that. And you can sustain that only when you are clear about your aim, you are clear about your objective, you know that you are born to do something and you will do something no matter whether the friends support me, whether the society agrees to my views or not. Once you have this kind of determination, once you feel that जब से चला हूँ मंजिल पे नजर है, जब से चला हूँ मंजिल पे नजर है, रास्ते में मील का पत्थर नहीं देखा. Short, I want each one of you to have a sense of pride in yourself. You cannot be weak, you cannot be failing, gentlemen. This is the awareness that will be the beginning, that will change the direction of your life. And be sure that life is not going to be very smooth. Life has to have the stumbling blocks. You will be feeling frustrated. You will be stopped time in the day. And it is at that time when things go wrong, when nothing goes to your favor, it is at that time you should remember what a great saint says, दुख में मत घबराना पक्षी, दुख में मत घबराना पक्षी, यह जगदुख का मेला है, चाहे भीड़ बड़ी अंबर पर, चाहे भीड़ बड़ी अंबर पर, उड़ना तुझे अकेला है, उड़ना तुझे